heard about the BRRR Method. Can you tell me about it, and do you do that type of thing?
Yeah, so the BRRR Method is a great method for investing in real estate. Basically, the acronym for BRRR is you're going to buy it, you're going to renovate it, you're going to rent it, and you're going to refinance it. It might be a refinance and then rent it. So what's really nice with the BRRR Method is a lot of times if you buy a place at a great discount and rehab it to rental grade, you could potentially buy a property no money down. By the time the smoke clears, you could have your down payment back in your pocket and have a positive cash flow property. So the BRRR Method essentially requires you to have an acquisition loan, a rehab loan, because maybe there's $100,000 in rehab, so we'll fund that. And then ultimately getting that 30-year fixed where you can refinance the property to generate a cash flow property. So we actually have 3 different BRRR Method financing programs in our office.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please go ahead and fill out the section below with your questions, and who knows, you may have them answered by Chief Denney on our next programming.
Thank you for joining us.